To wipe the S24 Ultra, the first way is we're going to open settings and we're going to scroll down until we see general management. Then scroll down until you see reset. So in this menu, at the very bottom is the factory data reset. This is going to wipe all of your files, all of your accounts. So if you plan on selling this phone or giving it to someone, then when you factory reset, your phone's going to be like brand new, and that's great. Now, the second way is to use the Android recovery. Before we do this, you want to sign out of all of your accounts, otherwise the phone will be locked with your Google login. So from settings, if you scroll down, we should see the accounts and backup, and then select manage accounts. You will need to select each Google account and just remove the account here, otherwise again a new person could not use your phone. If you can't do that, or because maybe the screen's frozen or whatever, then just skip that step, and now regardless, let's proceed. So what we need to do now is you're going to connect your S24 Ultra to another Android phone, a Windows or Mac computer, or iPhone or iPad. Connecting your S24 Ultra to the charging cable or not at all won't work. Then we're going to do the following key combination, and I will begin in 3, 2, 1. Click the power button to wake the screen, then press and hold power and volume down. Keep these two held down until the screen goes black. If your screen isn't working, just hold these two buttons as long as I do in the video. Now, release from both buttons, and then press and hold power and volume up. We need to keep power and volume up held down until we see the Samsung logo. And once we see the Samsung logo, we can release from both buttons. So any second now, we see Samsung and release. If this didn't work, so about the charging cable, and I'll also just rewind the video, press the buttons like I do. So this actually didn't work. It seems like it didn't recognize this phone. So I'm just going to try again real quick. Okay, so let's try that again. And so hopefully this time it's just going to work. And it seems like it hasn't. So I'm just going to swap out the charging cable. That's the problem here. So I've swapped out the cable. When we see the Samsung logo, we just release from the buttons. And there we go. So if done correctly, you will see Android recovery. The touchscreen is disabled here. So you use volume down and up to go up and down. And you click the power button to select your options. So click volume down until you see wipe data, and then click the power button to select. Then click volume down and click the power button to factory reset. After a couple of seconds, you'll be brought to this previous screen, and then click the power button to reboot the system, and it's going to wipe everything. Again, if you didn't sign out of your Google account, you will need to sign back into it on the setup screen. Hope this helps.